Royal Irrigation Department, Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperative. Nakorn Si Thammarat Large-Scale Flood Relief Project under the Royal Initiatives, Nakhon Si Thammarat Province. Construction work of Drainage Canal Line 3 includes assembly building. Agreement 1. Nakorn Si Thammarat Province is located on the seashore of the Gulf of Thailand. Many natural streams and canals begin from Nakhon Si Thammarat mountain ranges and flows downhill through the city. With heavy rainfall over the mountain ranges, massive volume of water flows is unable to irrigate into the sea in time. As a result, Nakorn Si Thammarat is affected by floods every year. For example, in 2011, a severe flood causing a historical damage. It affected agriculture areas in 23 districts over a space of 580,816 rai. The total estimated damage caused over 2,300 million baht. The royal initiatives of His Majesty King Pu Mipa Adulyadej Baram Manat Warpit on the 24th of December 1988 at Chai Patana Building, Jitrada Garden. His Majesty's initiatives regarding the flood mitigation action in the southern provinces, His Majesty concluded that heavy rainfalls, the mass of water from Padi Canal, combined with the downpour flood from Southong Canal and other watershed areas, the congested water flows could cause a severe flood in Nakhon Si Thammarat Province, as it happened in November 1988. Systematic measures must be taken to dredge the watersheds that pass through the city, to deepen and enlarge those watersheds, and to dredge them faster. Additionally, considerations for digging additional new drainage canal are of equal importance. This will help to drain the water flowing through the city, passing into the Gulf of Thailand in a timely manner. Following the royal initiatives, the Irrigation Department conducted a feasibility study, which was completed in 2002. But the implementation process could not be moved forward due to the acquisition of land required to dig the drainage canals throughout the city. Consequently, flooding remains unresolved, and at high chances that the severity of the flood will increase each year. Therefore, His Royal Initiatives Flood Relief Project must be maintained and extended. The flooding must be controlled, and the water reservoir could be used for agricultural and household consumption. The government has passed this policy to the National Water Resources Department to irrigate project planning and budget allocation for the relevant departments to precede and solve these flood problems. This water flow must be diverted around the city so that the flow could be accelerated and passing it into the Gulf of Thailand. The hydrological studies indicates that the main streams that cause flooding in Nakhon Si Thammarat city come from the Padi Canal, which receives water flow from Tu Khao Lang mountain range and flows directly into the city, with heavy rainfall overflowing the river banks and causes floods in agricultural areas, housing areas, transportation system, and water supplies. When calculating the 25 years recurrent cycle, the mass of water flow in the Padi Canal during a heavy rain flows up to 750 cubic meters per second. The mass of water in Padi will flow into the various canals into the sea at Thasak Canal and Paknakorn Canal. Both of these canals are capable of draining water flow at a total of 268 cubic meters per second. However, large masses of water could not be drained into the sea in time, causing damaging floods in urban and surrounding areas each year. We see it as necessary to increase the drainage efficiency by digging a new drainage canal to divert water around Nakhon Si Thammarat city and to enable acceleration of the drainage volume of water into the sea at more than the rate of 750 cubic meters per second. According to the royal initiatives, the characteristic planned work of flood mitigation project in Nakorn Si Thammarat consists of excavation of 3 surrounding drainage canals at a total length of 18.64 kilometers, the construction of 7 sluice gates to control the flow of water, renovation of 2 existing drainage canals, The first drainage canal, Line 1, is dug from the Padi Canal in Chai Mon Tree Sub-District, connecting it to Wangwo Canal. The length is approximately 5.5 kilometers. The second drainage canal, Line 2, is dug from Huat Canal, connecting it to Drainage Canal 1 in order to avoid community areas. Canal Line 2 has an estimated length of 0.79 kilometers. The drainage canal, Line 3, is dug from Tharua Canal to Hua Trud Canal, located in Tharua and Bangchak sub-districts, leading the flow directly into the sea. The length is approximately 12.35 kilometers. This plan also includes dredging Wanghua and Hua Trud canals to accelerate the drainage. The construction of a drainage canal, Line 3 from Tharua Hua Trud Canal, consists of 3 construction contracts. Contract 1 starts at kilometer 1 plus 000 to kilometer 3 plus 990 at a total distance of 2,990 meters. Contract 2 starts at kilometer 3 plus 990 to kilometer 7 plus 894 at a total distance of 3,904 meters. Contract 3 starts at kilometer 7 plus 894 to kilometer 12 plus 714 at a total distance of 4,820 meters. On the 12th of December 2017, the Cabinet approved a budget of 9,580 million baht for the implementation of the project, which will be allocated to the new drainage canals. This project has a duration of 6 years. The location of the project, which includes construction of drainage canal and construction of road along this canal starting at kilometer 1 plus 000 to kilometer 3 plus 990. And inlet pipework at 5 locations. Inlet pipework starting from the right at kilometer 3 plus 850. Inlet pipe at the left is kilometer 3 plus 820. Constructing a bridge for vehicles crossing at kilometer 3 plus 410. Inlet pipe at the left side at kilometer 2 plus 727. Inlet pipe at the right at kilometer 2 plus 673. Inlet pipe at the left at kilometer 2 plus 475. Construction characteristic work planned Drainage Canal Line 3, Contract 1. Drainage canal and construction of road along this canal starting at kilometer 1 plus 000 to kilometer 3 plus 990. Proceeds by dredging the weeds as well as adjusting the soil level to make it appropriate for construction. Alternatively, materials can be used for making the compacted filler until the required width has been reached. Drill in the eye-shaped cut piles, size 0.26 by 0.26 meters, into the ground according to the depth, in accordance with the geological survey result at both sides. Drilling the cement piles at the entire canal according to its steepness, the depth as specified in the construction plan. The installation of the soiled cement piles requires the use of a drilling machine to drive the steel rod, called drill rods. The propeller will destroy the original soiled structure and lower the pressure of cement grouting. A propeller is then used to mix the soil, water, and cement. Relative to the penetration rate, rotation water, and water injection rate of cement mixture, the strength of shotcrete will vary. After 28 days of hammering the cement piles, the canal can be dug in accordance with the construction plan by pouring the mixture of sand and cement over the cement pile. Further work will be done on the canal, including the fortifying of walls and lateral soil filling on both sides. The drainage canal, including the road on the canal shore, which has a total length of 2,990 meters. The width of the drainage canal is approximately 111.7 meters. The middle width of the canal is at 82 meters. The average drain canal depth is approximately 5.8 meters. The canal lined is paved with sand cement. The canal walls are composed of reinforced concrete. Installation of drainage holes must be included to drain the soiled water in the canal lined. The road on the canal embankment is a gravel road surface, soil dirt road paved with compacted sanded cement. The canal embankment on the left is 4 meters wide. The canal embankment on the right is 8 meters wide. The bridge for vehicles crossing the drainage canal locates at kilometer 3 plus 410. The bridge must be constructed with a reinforced concrete structure. The bridge is 10 meters wide and 112.7 meters long. The inlet pipe for the canal at 5 locations. To control the water, the height of the water will be set via the water control sluice at the water gate, located at the existing canal, Could Canal, and the ditches on the left and right banks. The flood mitigation project under His Royal Initiatives, it will alleviate flooding in Nakhon Si Thammarat municipal area and reduce the affected flooded area by 90%. There will be over 32,000 households who benefit from this project, in addition to the agricultural area of 17,400 rai. It will also enable to reserve the water to be used in dry season at approximately 5.5 million cubic meters. Additionally, it will also help the community who reside on the canal banks to use it as a water supply for their agricultural and household consumption throughout the year. Large-scale flood mitigation project under the Royal Initiatives Nakorn Si Thammarat Flood Prevention Fortress, construction project of the Large-Scale Irrigation No. 10, Bureau of Large-Scale Water Resources Development.